Why ocean restoration is the key to long-term sustainability. SEF, the Spaceship Earth Fund, recognizes that ocean restoration is critical for long-term sustainability and climate resilience, which is why we are at the forefront of marine conservation. Restoring our oceans is not only about preserving marine life, it's about ensuring a sustainable future for the planet. The importance of ocean restoration. Our oceans provide countless benefits, from regulating the climate to supporting biodiversity and providing food for billions of people. However, the degradation of marine ecosystems due to human activities is threatening the sustainability of these services. SEF understands that restoring ocean health is essential for long-term sustainability and is actively involved in supporting restoration projects worldwide. Restoring marine ecosystems for climate resilience. Healthy marine ecosystems, such as coral reefs and kelp forests, help to stabilize the climate by absorbing carbon dioxide and protecting coastlines from storms and erosion. SEF is funding restoration projects that focus on rebuilding these ecosystems, ensuring they can continue to provide these vital services in the face of climate change. Sustaining fisheries and food security. Oceans are a major source of food for people around the world, and the health of marine ecosystems directly impacts the sustainability of fisheries. Overfishing and habitat destruction have caused many fish populations to decline, threatening food security. SEF is working to restore critical habitats and promote sustainable fishing practices to ensure that future generations can continue to rely on the ocean for food. Preserving biodiversity for a balanced ecosystem. Biodiversity is the foundation of a healthy and resilient ecosystem. Marine species play interdependent roles in maintaining the balance of ocean ecosystems, and their loss can have cascading effects on the entire food web. SEF supports initiatives that aim to protect and restore biodiversity by rebuilding habitats and reducing human impact on the ocean. Call to action: help SEF restore marine ecosystems and build a sustainable future. Join us in supporting ocean restoration projects and protect our planet's most valuable resources.